the deadly force of a suppressed sneeze. That tiny, blatant instinct to stifle a sneeze is more dangerous than you think. While seemingly harmless, medical records are clear, suppressing this powerful reflex can be deadly. When a sneeze is blocked, the internal pressure can exceed speeds of 100 miles per hour, trapping massive force inside the body. In 2023, a man learned this tragic lesson firsthand. Trying to politely silence the explosive reflex, he didn't just hurt his jaw or ribs. The confined pressure tore through delicate soft tissue, resulting in a severe rupture in his throat. This rare injury led to complications that proved fatal. It serves as an eerie reminder that sometimes it's safer to just let it out.